Now that I look back, I thought I would have never had those opportunities to do anything like that. I just don't see it. I don't know how it could have happened. So I'm so grateful for everything and how it all happened. Okay, check and see if she knows. Okay, so I know that that's probably going to be going on all day for you.
That's fine.
So
I have no problem. I'm so grateful. I'm about to cry because I was so happy that everything's just working out. And I'm just so grateful to the Most High just for, because it didn't have to be me. It could have been somebody else. But thank goodness, this is how it worked out. And I'm so grateful for the Purple Heart Homes. I'm so grateful for Done Right. I've never heard of you guys, but I Googled them